boys and girls. Today we are going to be making a volcano using some special ingredients. Our first ingredient is baking soda. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda into our homemade volcano. All right, the next ingredient is we are going to add some food coloring, so a color will come out of our volcano. We're going to make this one a rainbow volcano.
Yeah.
I'll open them for you if you want to squirt them in.
Okay.
Remember, just 2 squirts of each color.
Okay.
Perfect.
This one.
Okay.
There we go. Now time for the green.
It's gonna be cool. Perfect. All right, the last ingredient we need is
baking soda.
Vinegar. We're gonna use vinegar to make our chemical reaction to cause
volcano to erupt.
To erupt, you're right.
This is really cool. Science watch.
All right, there we go. Wow.
See already?
Isn't it cool? That is so cool. Ooh, it went into the rocks. Should we do more? More vinegar? All right.
We also have vinegar.
You're right. We gotta get some more for our science experiments. Oh, it's darker that time.
It's darker. I think that one was like for a kind of yellow, you know?
Oh, it has some of the yellow, yeah. But what do you see in there? It's kind of smoky coming out.
I need to smell the vinegar.
You can smell the vinegar, yeah. All right, I'm gonna do it one more time. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
You think it's gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Let's see. Whoa, it did it again.
I think that's gonna be the green.
That looks like the green. Oh, and that's how you make your own volcano.